Wow, I never would have thought that we would make it to this point. Ladies and gentlemen, today is December 28th. That's right, and we're doing this. The final Mcool123 news episode in the year 2020. What a year it's been. It's gonna be a long episode because I have 10 things to talk about. Majority of these things, actually I think pretty much all 10 of them, are about the channel and not actual real life news. Well, our channel is real life, which is not like about politics or YouTube or whatever. It's just strictly about my channel by itself. Like I said again, we have 10 topics that we're going to talk about. So let us hop right into it, starting now. Alright, so first off, there is an Among Us. Or Among Us? People say Among Us or Among Us. I don't know if the G is silent, but whatever. There's going to be a video coming on December 31st. So by the time you're watching this on the 28th, you have the 28th, the 29th, the 30th, and then it's getting uploaded on the 31st. It's going to be all of my imposter rounds. I go 9,999 IQ. So, but we'll go over that when that video drops, December 31st. Alright. I'm trying to go quick because, like I said, we have 10 topics to discuss. Some are really short topics, some are full length. Like, I'm going to be talking for 10 minutes. So, let's just make this quick. Next up, the unboxing video has gotten so much support. This was when it first was uploaded, 7, but it has since then increased, which I cannot thank you enough. So, thank you for supporting the unboxing series. I'm glad you appreciate it. By the way, talking about that, I have more merch. If you watch this video, you know that I'm doing 2 unboxing videos per month. So I have the merch for the January videos, which I can tell you right now that I know when they are being uploaded. Also, the supporters and subscribers that follow me on Remind know. So if you haven't already, go follow me on Remind. So the first unboxing video will be on Saturday, January 2nd. And then the other unboxing video will be on Thursday, January 21st. Both of those videos will be uploaded at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time or 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time. So make sure you check it out. The companies are Mr. Beast and Righteous Rebels. You know Mr. Beast probably. Righteous Rebels I'm going to talk about, and we'll get into that. We'll probably do Mr. Beast first, so January 2nd will be Mr. Beast, and the Righteous Rebels will be the 21st. And then we'll talk about it, get it all. Actually, I don't know, but join the Remind and you'll be updated on that information. So that's all I'm going to tell you. Join the Remind, because I have been updating everybody. I updated everyone on my secret project that I'm going to announce later in this video. But, like, you could have gotten a little sneak peek on what it was, but it's alright. It's fine. Anyways, topic of discussion number 3. Look, see, we're already 4 minutes into this, and we're only at topic of discussion number 3. But topic of discussion number 3 is Save Eric. So, if you don't know Eric, he's a very, very well-known YouTuber, and he is on an abandoned island until he hits 1 million subscribers, because he wants to hit his goal of 1 million subscribers by the end of 2020. Just like I wanted to hit my goal of 100 subscribers by the end of 2020. With that being said, though, as we speak right now, as I am recording this, he has 994,000. So he needs 6,000 more subscribers. If he manages to do that, he might already have 1 million subscribers, like tomorrow when this is getting uploaded. But I am recording this on the 27th, and at this point, he has 994,000 subscribers. I have subscribed. If you want to subscribe, help him out. Use the link in the description down below. And that would be greatly appreciated. His content is dope. It's just all great. Next up, Talking about the subcount, let's talk about my subcount. I'm gonna be honest with you. September 8th, not the best day. September 8th is when I told you that I hit 1 million. No, not 1 million. Dear God, no. When I hit 100 subscribers. That was a lie. That's right. That was literally a lie that I made. So, on behalf of myself, on behalf of my team, I want to apologize. We did not hit 100 subscribers. Obviously, you knew that. Because it didn't update on your channel. I meant on your side. But we currently have 83 subscribers and not 100. I know I've made it a big deal for me to hit 100 subscribers by the end of 2020. But at this point, if it's by the end of next year, fine, so be it. The point of making these videos for you guys is for you to enjoy. Would it be nice that you guys subscribed? Yes. Am I working on something that will incentivize you to hopefully subscribe and get your friends to subscribe? Yes. But look, my goal as making these educational and fun and entertaining videos is to put a smile on your face, and these videos are supposed to be kind of a distraction from all of the craziness going around in the world. Would I love it if you would subscribe, excuse me? Yes, I would, yes please. But I'm not gonna force you and be like, you must subscribe or else. So, but anyways, we'll talk about it later. We'll go through it. But again, I apologize for lying to you guys. But I would still really, really, really appreciate the support. Also, but the good news, if you look at the summary, we went up 47% and 38%. So again, huge thank you to you guys. You are the literal, absolute best. You are the best fans I could ask for, and I cannot thank you enough. Look, see, we have 10 topics. This might be a 2-part series. I meant a 2-part episode. Dear God. Number 5, we have new merch. That's right, new merch dropping very, very soon. New merch will be coming in the coming year, 2021. We had the Dope Fire collection. Now we're gonna move on to the Lit 2021 collection, and we'll go from there. You can purchase it. I'm gonna even purchase my own merch, and then I'll unbox it for you guys. So it'll all be phenomenal. But I first gotta get everything squared up with creating it and make sure that the design is good for you guys, but it'll all go well. Number 6, actually you probably already read it, but this is about season 2 of Mcool123 News. Ladies and gentlemen, season 2 is a go. We are officially renewed for a second season. We will be back for season 2 on January 25th, 2021. Mcool123 videos will still be uploaded, as well as the new surprise that I am going to tell you. Just, there will be no Mcool123 news episodes, which I apologize. But we'll be back January 25th, so that is, I believe, that's the Monday. Let me look. Yeah, that is the Monday. So we'll be back on that Monday, the 25th of January, and we'll be back just like this. We'll even try to make it even better. You guys will include clips and everything. We'll try to make it the best that it can be. Starting 2021 off well. Alright, topic discussion number 7. Here is my new project. I have to delete this in order to show you. So we're going to click delete. Are you ready for the unveiling of my new project? Which, if you joined my remind, you already know what it is. But for those of you who didn't join my remind, here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Mcool123 Podcast. That's right, I am creating a 40-minute long podcast every single week. That's right, we're going to talk about the randomest stuff, whatever is happening that week. We're going to talk about it, we're going to have an opinion. We're going to make it civilized, we're going to make it kind, we're going to make it entertaining, we're going to make it fun. And it'll all go well, but more details will come in a separate video, so you'll know what to do. Topic discussion number 8, a personal letter from me to you. In the link in the description down below, that will link you to my website, and on that website there will be a letter from me. I write to you once a month. I wrote October 1st, I wrote November 1st, and then I'm writing on December 28th when you're watching. So use the link in the description down below. Go check out the letter that I wrote. Go check out the other letters, and I just inform you on what's going on with the channel moving forward and all of that good stuff. Alright, we're at 9 out of 10 with 10 minutes and 40 seconds exactly. So, I think we can do this. Happy holidays to those of you. I know you all either celebrated Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, whatever it was. Happy holidays. I hope you and your families are enjoying this time. Most of you are off from school. Most of you aren't working. Most of you are just enjoying the time with your family safely, I hope. And hopefully you are just staying safe and doing the right thing. Also, Happy New Year. There will be one video before 2021. The Among Us video is the final 2020 video that will be uploaded to my channel. And then the unboxing video probably will be Mr. Beast. Now I'm thinking that will be the official first video of 2021. We're starting off the year right with unboxing Mr. Beast merch. It feels right. So that's what we're gonna do. But Happy New Year to you and your family. So yes, again, Happy New Year from me, Mcool123, to you and your family. I wish you the best. Make sure you're staying safe. 2020 has been quite a difficult at some points and just a struggling year. But let's make 2021 a better year. There's vaccines that are gonna start rolling out. Hopefully, we'll get back to some sort of normalcy. So, all right, and finally, thank you. Truly, I mean it from the bottom of my heart, from Mcool123 to you, the viewer watching this. Thank you. Your support has meant the world to me. You coming to watch my videos, you hopefully liking this video and hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button. Thank you. I do this because I enjoy putting a smile on people's faces and being a distraction for them during crazy times. I thought you should know this, although I've already said it in previous videos. I don't make money from these YouTube videos. The point of these YouTube videos are to just talk to you, entertain you, have fun with you. That's why I make these videos, and I cannot thank you enough for all of your support. This year, we have hit 83 subscribers in total. And it's been great, and we are dedicated and willing to hit 100 subscribers by the end of 20. Well, no, we're gonna hit 100 subscribers when we hit 100 subscribers. But still, I cannot thank you enough. You watching this video motivate me every day to upload, and for me to constantly think, what am I gonna upload? What will the viewers enjoy me doing? So, as we close out this year, because the Among Us video, we're not talking about ending the year and all that stuff, but to close out this year, I just wanted to say thank you. I truly, truly, truly mean it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for supporting me. It does not go unnoticed, and I cannot thank you enough. I will see you all for the Among Us video on the 31st. And then I will see you in the new year. Alright, peace out. Thank you again so much. Peace. Thank you.